Never mind, because
Yeah.
actually I never have money in my savings account. That's to be true. All the
Yeah.
money I get goes directly to pay debt or to invest. So it's like I never have real money a real amount in my savings. So I won't
Yeah.
get anything from them anyway.
That's smart. That's being smart
It's a
with your
mental
money.
strategy because I have little self control.
Yeah.
It's like I might buy a PlayStation 5. If I see the money there, I get
Yeah.
excited. So
Most.
that's my strategy because I know myself. So whenever it comes in, it goes out every month. Boom, boom. Even if I make like tons of money every month, automatically I'm at zero or at a few thousand. Sometimes I even have to ask my girlfriend to teach me for coffee. I don't have it because it's dangerous.
Yeah. I mean, you have to have a little bit
Yeah,
for
yeah.
living expenses, but beyond that, if you can automate your savings and investing, that's a smart way to go because your mind will always find something that you want to spend money
Yeah,
on.
and you'll justify it.
Yeah, yeah, you
I
can
need
infinitely
it badly
justify it.
because
Yeah, I don't want this. I need it. I need this new game, or I need this new shirt or whatever. I need it. Yeah, it's one of those things where if you don't automate something, it probably won't happen. And
yeah, I discovered that habits are the ones that take us like really far, or works for me at least. Like my willpower
Yeah.
disappears, but the habits
Yeah.
stick.